hip hinge movement pattern from the knees. Start on a mat with the mat rolled up or a pillow underneath the knees. Place a dowel along your spine with your hand holding the dowel in the curve of the low back and the curve of the neck. Maintain 3 points of contact throughout the exercise. The hip hinge movement pattern is a movement pattern where the hip bends while maintaining a neutral spine. From the standing position, maintain a tall and strong posture and push the hips back towards the heel. As you move back up, push the knees into the floor and stand tall. Inhale with a deep and diaphragmatic breath as you lower down, and exhale through pursed lips as you raise back up.